Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the chart color in MetaTrader 4 app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader mobile app and click on the menu on the top left corner. Then choose settings. After that, scroll down until you see color, this one. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have background and we have here scheme. Click on it and choose custom. After that, go to background. And as you can see, now you can choose any color you want. So let's say, for example, this one. Click done. And let's go to the chart to see. As you can see, the color of the chart has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.